Hello, Shavua Tov. I would like to continue with the letters of the alphabet. If you have not done so, if you have not reviewed the letters until now, I strongly urge you to review them because otherwise you'll have gaps from the time that you reviewed until the present, and I'm not going backwards. You have the videos or the recordings, so I'd ask you to please study them. I'm beginning with the next letter of the Hebrew alphabet, which is a Phe, and the Phe with a dot inside has a P sound. So that would be it. Without the dot inside, it has an F sound. So it depends on um, whether it has the dot or not. Notice, please, we had previously the letter Mem and the letter Nun, which had a different form if it was in the middle of a word or the end of the word. That appears in the letter Peh as well. So this is the look of the Peh, and if it's at the end, then it looks like this. This would be the written form, and this would be the final Peh form, Peh final, Peh final. Okay. I think that you might be better off looking at the charts that I've given you last day, and see how the letter is formed. I will now go to practice with you the Peh letter, expanding from single letters to syllables or actually full words. So let's look carefully at the vowels underneath the Peh, and I'm going to enlarge this so you could see it better. So we have pa, pi, po. It has a dot, except my picture is on the way. So here is the dot on top of the Peh. Pe, pa, pi. Again, pa, pi, po, pe, fa, fi. Notice no dot, no dot. Po, pi, picha, picha, pi, pich, pab, pach, pag, daf. You might want to pause and repeat pronouncing or reading previous letters and then just continue again. Befe, befi, da, pim, po, paz, pa, chim, pat, pit, kaf, chaf. Pause and practice again. Pita, pita, le faux, le faux, le fi, que fi. And I skipped a slide. Now I'm all over the place. Sorry, I'll find it in a second. There we go. Mi, po, mi, po. You could do the same thing on the script side. I'm not going to take the time to do it. I will move on to the next letter. And let me get up to the next letter. There we go. So this is the letter Koof, K, and the written form isn't too dissimilar from the printed form if you look at them carefully. Even though this is squared off, this is rounded, but it's the same idea with a line next to it, not touching. Not touching, and this is the sound K. If you remember, we had a letter Kaf, which had a dot in the middle to form K, and without a dot, it was Ch. So the K with a dot, Chaf with a dot, and this letter Kuf make the same sound. Now let's look at the exercise that I'm giving you. Bam, bim, boom, bom. Gam, gam, geva, gum. Pause and practice. I'm continuing. Dam, dum, dim, dom, dum. Hem, ham, hayam, hom, hum. Kav, kav, kavim, kanim, konim, kinyan, kanon, kam, kamim, kamot. I skipped. Kad, kadim, kavim, kiva, ze, kaze, kach, kechu, lokchim, ken, sak, kof, kofim. Now, I have all the letters of the alphabet prepared, but I feel it'll be too much. So I'm going to pause here and send another recording in a day or two. Please practice. That's the only way you will learn it. Thank you. Have a nice evening.